जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter कर्म संन्यास योगम 25th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, be devoted to the welfare of all beings in this entire universe. Then whatever that it comes to you, may it be profit or loss, pain or pleasure, victory or defeat, whatever it is, try to have a balanced state of mind. Like that, keep your manas under your control. Then gain control over all your senses. Do not let them go behind the desires. Then start thinking about Atma. That means Atma Dhyanam. If you start doing this kind of sadhana, very soon all the sins which are obstructing you in attaining Atma Darshanam will be completely washed off, and you will become qualified for Atma Darshanam, and you will get Atma Darshanam. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma giving a clear direction to each and every one of us to attain Atma Darshanam. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, trying to practice Krishna Paramatma's instructions in our day-to-day life, let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Labhante Brahma Nirvanam Rushayaha Kshina Kalmashaha Chinnadvaidha Yatatmanaha Sarvabhuta Hite Rataha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging, and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading your Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like, I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sriman Narayana giving his darshanam to Chaturmukha Brahma. Chaturmukha Brahma enjoying entire Sri Vaikuntha Lokam, which is filled up with so many great devotees, which always observe Satyam Dharmam. Such devotees, the master of all those devotees is Sriman Narayana. Such Sriman Narayana is giving his darshanam to Chaturmukha Brahma. Sunanda, Nanda, all those great people, Parisevitam Vibhum, for all of them, Master, Prabhu is Sriman Narayana. Such Sriman Narayana giving his darshanam to Chaturmukha Brahma. Nahi hita hita sayana vahamulavani సేవితా మరతాపసశ్రేణి వాణిన్ అఖిల లోకంబులకు గురుడైన వాణి గాంచే పరమేష్ఠి కన్నుల కరువుదీరా. టు హిజ్ fullest extent, fullest satisfaction, Chaturmukha Brahma enjoying Srimannarayana's darshanam. Srimannarayana's divine vision is pouring anugraham, compassion in each and every one. Bhrutya prasada abhimukham. Srimannarayana's divine vision is carrying unlimited amount of grace. Drugasavam. With that grace, Srimannarayana conferring nectar to all the devotees, unlimited happiness, unlimited joy to each and every one over there. Such Sriman Narayana giving his darshanam to Chaturmukha Brahma. Prasannahasa Arunalochanam, smiley, divine, beautiful face, and with the compassion, overflowing compassion and grace, Sriman Narayana's eyes became so red. Such beautiful red eyes, such beautiful divine face, such beautiful entire divine Divyamangala Vigraham. That Sriman Narayana giving his darshanam to Chaturmukha Brahma. Kiritinam కుండలినం చతుర్భుజం పీతాం సుఖం వక్షసి లక్షితం శ్రియా. యోగేశ్వరేశ్వరుడు లక్ష్మీయుత వక్షుజిన్మయు దయాసాంద్రున్ చతుర్బాహునిన్. Chaturmukha Brahma enjoying darshanam of Sriman Narayana, who is wearing beautiful crown, who is wearing beautiful earrings, who is wearing beautiful pitambaram, who has 4 hands. Such Sriman Narayana giving his darshanam to Chaturmukha Brahma. And Sriman Narayana's divine Vakshasthalam, wide Vakshasthalam, in which there is a special abode for Lakshmi Devi. Chaturmukha Brahma enjoying all that entirety of Divyamangala Vigraham of Sriman Narayana. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Madana Parihara Sthitim Madiye Manasi Mukunda Padaravinda Dhamni. हरनयनकृशानुना कृशोऽसि स्मरसि न चक्रपराक्रमं मुरारेः। कृष्णो रक्षतु नो जगत्त्रयगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहं। कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः। कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter 25th श्लोक। लभन्ते ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं ऋषयः क्षीणकल्मषाः छिन्नद्वैधा यतात्मानः सर्वभूतहिते रताः। लभन्ते ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं ऋषयः क्षीणकल्मषाः छिन्नद्वैधा यतात्मानः सर्वभूतहिते रताः। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।